Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Because Valentine's is just around the corner, I wanted to create a very Bollywood inspired Valentine's look that was sweet and simple and very wearable. And I couldn't think of a better look than Kiara Advani's look from Kabir Singh. It's almost like a no makeup look, but with a flush of color on the cheeks and lips. So I didn't even use foundation for this look. And this is something that you can wear every day or to your schools and colleges. So I want to show you how to create this look. Without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to start with skin prep, and for that I'm using a vitamin C serum by Pure by Priyanka. Absolutely love their products. I've been using it quite regularly. And if you have sun damage or hyperpigmentation or sagging skin or even age spots, this vitamin C serum is the best. And to prep around my eyes, I'm going to be using the Silk Peony by Tatcha. While we are at it, I'm also going to prep my lips by hydrating it using this Rose Lip Balm by Milani. As I explained earlier, I'm not going to be using a foundation. We want to keep the makeup to the minimum. So I'm going to be using a concealer. This is the Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is a true match to my skin tone. Using this, I'm only going to be spot correcting in areas where I have uneven skin tone. So I'm mostly going to be focusing this around my eyes, around my mouth, and also spot correcting in areas where I have spots on my face. When you don't want to use foundations on certain days and you just want to use a concealer to spot correct, use a shade of concealer that's a true match to your skin tone. If you use a lighter shade of concealer, it's going to combine with the blue undertones of your hyperpigmentation and start looking ashy. And if you use a darker concealer, which is mostly used for color correction, and if you don't use a foundation on top of this, then you can see a stark difference between your natural skin tone and the deeper shade of concealer. I'm not even using a sponge or a brush to blend this out. I'm just using my finger because that's the quickest and easiest way. And fingers don't absorb any product, so you also get full coverage. To set around my eyes before the concealer creases, I'm going to use the Airspun translucent powder. I'm just dipping a dry sponge and I'm going to gently press it around my eyes. I'm not going to set it anywhere else because this concealer dries fairly quick and I don't crease. Next, I'm going to be using a liquid blush. This is from Rare Beauty in Joy. Just to add a flush of color on the cheeks, just like what she has. I'm going to use very little and quickly blend it out with a flat top kabuki brush. And just underneath that, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple. Again, very little, just to add a little bit of definition. And then using the Rare Beauty blotting puff, I'm going to go around my face. It's very lightly loaded with powder already. So when you use this on your face, it's going to set your face, but it's not going to look powdery. It'll give you a very natural look. Her brows look quite defined and filled in, so I'm going to be using the Artist Eyebrow Pencil from Folklore. This is in the shade Cool Grey, and I'm going to use this to define as well as fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Kiara has defined crease, whereas I have hooded eyes. So just to give some definition, I'm going to be using the Milani bronzer just above my natural crease line with a blending brush. And then I'm going to be using this Mega Clear Mascara by Wet n Wild. This basically has no tint to it. It's just a clear mascara. I'm only going to be using it in my top lashes. Clear mascaras give you a more natural look as compared to tinted mascaras. So anytime you want to go for that very natural, no makeup look, one of the tricks is to use a clear mascara. On her lips, she has the brick lip with a pink undertone. So I'm going to be combining two different lipsticks to get that color. First, I'm going to be using the Folklore liquid lipstick in V09, and then I'm going to top it off with the Deck of Scarlet lipstick in Cappuccino. For my hair, I'm just going to tie a loose ponytail in the back by center parting my hair. And to accessorize, I'm using these small rings in my ear, just like what she has. And here is the completed look. Quick, simple and easy. A very Bollywood Valentine's look. And especially easy in the mornings when you have less time to pull off a look for your work or college, where have you. This is probably the way to go with less makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more videos like these, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know. And do check out the description box for all the product info and my social media links. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.